Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome to Tech Vibes. Today, we are diving deep into the world of digital streaming. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. This is for educational purposes only. Please respect your local laws and use only legal content. Now, are you currently looking for a simple, fast, and effective way to watch your favorite live television channels for free in 2026? In this video, we'll show you how to access over 1,000 live channels using M3U playlists on almost any device. Whether you use a Fire Stick, Smart TV, or smartphone, this method is very simple. With just a few steps, you'll be ready to stream. So, without any further delay, let's jump right into the details and see how this incredible method works for you today. An M3U playlist is essentially a simple file or URL that holds a collection of streaming sources. These sources link your chosen device to live television channels through an IPTV player. Instead of downloading massive files or storing heavy content directly on your device, everything streams straight from the internet. This makes M3U playlists incredibly lightweight, quick to load, and very easy to update. Another great benefit is the total flexibility they offer. You can use completely different playlists for different categories of content. For example, you can set up separate lists for live sports, movies, breaking news, or international networks. Now, to start using an M3U playlist, the very first tool you need is an IPTV player app. There are plenty of options out there, but some of the most reliable and popular choices include TVMate, IPTV Smarters, VLC Media Player, and Kodi. These applications are designed to process streaming links smoothly and give you an optimal viewing experience. They are also widely compatible with many different devices, which makes them ideal for this setup. Once you have successfully installed your preferred IPTV player, the next step is incredibly simple. Launch the app and look for an option that says Add Playlist, Add M3U URL, or Load Playlist. After that, just paste your M3U playlist link right into the provided empty field. In some applications, you can also manually upload a local M3U file, if you happen to have one saved on your device storage. Once you hit confirm, the application will instantly begin loading the entire playlist. This process usually takes only a few short seconds, depending entirely on the total size of the playlist and your current internet speed. After the loading process completes, your channels will show up, automatically sorted into clean categories like sports, movies, news, kids, and more. From there, all that is left to do is pick your favorite channel, press play, and start enjoying live television instantly. It really is that simple. Now, let us discuss the kind of content you can actually expect to find. With a high-quality M3U playlist, you can unlock a massive variety of channels from all across the globe. This features live sporting events, premium movie channels, popular television series, news broadcasts, documentaries, and international channels in many different languages. Everything comes together in one single location without the hassle of switching between multiple apps. Keeping your device clean and optimized will heavily improve your overall streaming performance. And finally, to maximize your personal privacy and data security, using a reliable VPN is highly recommended. A good VPN helps protect your personal data online, keeps your browsing history private, and can even improve streaming stability by preventing ISP throttling in certain cases. Now, as a quick note, please remember that not all playlists are created equal. Some links are naturally much more reliable and consistent than others. Because of this, it is always a smart idea to test out a few different options to discover the ones that work best for your setup. And there you have it. Now you know precisely how to watch free live television using M3U playlists in 2026 on virtually any device you own. It is simple, incredibly powerful, and fully accessible to everyone. If you found this detailed breakdown helpful, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to smash that subscribe button right now so you never miss out on any new updates here on Tech Vibes. Drop a comment down below to share your thoughts or ask any questions you might have. Thank you so much for watching Tech Vibes, and I will catch you all in the very next video.